I am repeating in Hindi because that is the language in which he told me that ये कवच ट्रेन का कवच तो है ही, साथ साथ उसके परिवार का कवच है, ऐसा उस लोको पायलट ने भी बोला है। माननीय अध्यक्ष जी, ये काम ऑटोमेटिक ट्रेन प्रोटेक्शन का काम बाकी देशों ने 1970s 1980s में किया, तब की सरकारों ने क्या किया, ये भी एक प्रश्न का जवाब इनको देना चाहिए। आप भी सरकार में थे, हमने आके 2014 के बाद में तुरंत इस पे काम चालू किया। 2016 में माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने कवच के डेवलपमेंट का काम चालू किया। 2019 तक कवच का फर्स्ट वर्जन डेवलप हुआ, कवच का फाइनल वर्जन 4 2024 तक डेवलप हुआ और आज तेजी से काम चल रहा है और इसमें सारी दुनिया इस काम को अप्रिशिएट कर रही है। माननीय सांसद महोदय, बहुत अननेसेसरी आक्षेप न लगाएं।
Honorable member supplementary.
Sir, I had another supplementary, but since the Honorable Minister spoke about the loco pilots, I would like to remind this House, when Balasore, the accident happened, killing 260 odd people, this government was the one which threw aspiration on the loco pilot, where his whole family was devastated, sir. And finally, when the report came, sir, let me finish. I am not yielding, sir. I am not yielding. When the report came, sir, when the report came, it was shown that it was not the loco pilot's fault, but it was the fault of the system. So, and by that time, several months, the family had to suffer. But my second supplementary is, when I spoke about accidents in trains, I was specifically asking for all accidents. But the reply comes as consequential accidents, which numbers it as only 3. My question is, what were the total number of train accidents which have happened in Tamil Nadu? Why are you restricting yourself to consequential rail accidents? Because there was something which happened near my constituency, where a petrol tanker was
Honorable Speaker, sir, Honorable Member has absolutely made a false statement in this House, for which he must substantiate what he has said. In the case of Balasore accident, which was a very tragic accident, the matter was investigated by technical teams as well as by CRS and later on by CBI. All the 3 reports have already been submitted. Based on the investigation done, a charge sheet was filed against the persons concerned. I would not like to take the names. My friends will say it's a communal angle, but there is definitely, I'm not going to take the names here. But Honorable Speaker, sir, the matter has been investigated threadbare. All the actions have been taken. Not even at one point of time was the blame made on pilots. Honorable member should withdraw his statement that he has made. This is absolutely false statement. Cannot be accepted by this House. Honorable Speaker, sir, regarding railway accidents, I would like to very humbly submit that compared to 2014, when the number of consequential accidents was 135 in 2014-15, we have been able to bring it down by 90% to 11 accidents this year. We are continuously focused on any incident which happens, and we go to the root cause, try to figure out what is the systemic or structural problem behind that. And each and every incident, we work in such detail so that whether we have to make a structural change, whether we have to train the people better, whether we have to redesign the system, whether we have to bring new components, whatever best possible has to be done on any safety-related incident. Honorable Speaker, sir, the entire team is working with full sincerity is what I can share with you in full humility.
Question number 247. सुश्री इकरा चौधरी।
क्या बोल रहे हैं?
क्वेश्चन नंबर बोलो।
247 क्वेश्चन नंबर
माननीय मंत्री जी,
Statement is laid on the table of the House.
ऑनरेबल मेंबर।
सर, धन्यवाद अध्यक्ष महोदय। आपकी अनुमति से मैं माननीय मंत्री जी से पूछना चाहती हूँ कि ऐसे राज्य जहाँ से वित्तीय वर्ष में कोई भी प्रस्ताव प्राप्त नहीं होता है, वहाँ के लिए सरकार इस योजना में प्रोजेक्ट सेलेक्ट करने के लिए क्या उपाय करेगी और राज्य द्वारा प्रोजेक्ट भेजने में देरी को दूर करने के लिए क्या केंद्र सरकार राज्यों के अल्पसंख्यक विभाग के स्थान पर राज्यों के चीफ सेक्रेटरीज को प्रस्ताव भेजने के लिए जिम्मेदार अधिकारी के तौर पर नामित करने पर विचार करेगी या नहीं? और मैं इसी में क्लब करना चाहती हूँ कि मेरे संसदीय क्षेत्र कैराना में संबंधित महिला डिग्री कॉलेज के लंबित प्रस्ताव को स्टेट लेवल मॉनिटरिंग कमेटी से शीघ्र मंगाने के लिए मंत्री महोदय और सरकार क्या उपाय करेंगे? धन्यवाद।
Honorable Speaker, sir. This program is to fill the infrastructure gap, the minority areas. It is demand-driven. If the proposal comes from the state government, the committee in central government will pass it. But the first step is that state-level committee should pass it, and it should be sent to the central government. And it is from the state it should reach, and that all these funds are dispersed. That is upon the state governments.
प्रश्नकाल समाप्त। माननीय सदस्यगण, मुझे कई माननीय सदस्यों का कई विषयों पर स्थगन प्रस्ताव की सूचनाएं प्राप्त हुई है। श्री नीरज मौर्य, एडवोकेट चंद्रशेखर, श्री बेनी बेनन, गुरजीत ओजला, वीरेंद्र सिंह, डीएम कथीरानंद, मणिकम टैगोर, विजय बसंत, मनीष तिवारी, के सुरेश सहित कई मान्य सदस्यों के स्थगन प्रस्ताव की सूचना मेरे पास प्राप्त हुई है। मैंने आज किसी भी स्थगन प्रस्ताव की सूचना की अनुमति नहीं दी गई है। सभा पटल पर रखे जाने वाले पत्र आइटम नंबर 2 डॉक्टर जितेंद्र सिंह।
खोलेंगे तो मैं बैठ जाऊं।
माननीय
अध्यक्ष महोदय,
हाँ तो खोल।
आपकी अनुमति से मैं आज की संशोधित कार्यवली की क्रम संख्या 2 पर अपने नाम के आगे सूचीबद्ध कागजात सभा पटल पर रखता हूं। धन्यवाद अध्यक्ष महोदय।
आइटम नंबर 3 श्री अर्जुन राम मेघवाल।
Honorable Speaker, sir, with your kind permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House papers pertaining to the Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs as mentioned against my name as per today's revised list of the business. Thank you.
आइटम नंबर 4 श्री अर्जुन राम मेघवाल।
Thank you, Speaker, sir. With your kind permission, on behalf of my colleague Shri Jitin Prasad, Minister of State, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against his name at serial number 4 of today's revised list of the business. Thank you.
आइटम नंबर 5 डॉक्टर पी चंद्रशेखर जी।
Honorable Speaker, sir, with your kind permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 5 in today's revised list of business. Thank you.
आइटम नंबर 6 श्री BL वर्मा।
अध्यक्ष महोदय, मैं आपकी अनुमति से आज की लोकसभा की संशोधित कार्य सूची में क्रम संख्या 6 पर अपने नाम के सम्मुख अंकित प्रपत्र सभा पटल पर रखता हूँ।
आइटम नंबर 7 श्री अर्जुन राम मेघवाल।
Honorable Speaker, sir, with your kind permission, on behalf of my colleague Dr. L. Murugan, Minister of State, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against his name at serial number 7 of today's revised list of the business. Thank you, sir.
आइटम नंबर 8 श्री सतीश चंद्र दुबे।